So basically people ask us, how do we put them together? Well, these structures typically come with a 50-year warranty. Now I'm wearing a 14 size boot, and you can see how thick these beams are. I mean, that is a heavy beam right there. That's how they bolt them together right here. That's why they call them pre-engineered. Everything's pre-engineered. They bolt them together. Use the impact drill right there. This is a truss system. So basically this is what supports your roof. So people ask, what's better, wood or steel? Well, you can drop that on your foot. You can drop that on your foot. Tell you what, that's going to hurt a lot worse. Okay. Now this is another important thing. Power. We need to have power because, as you see, we burn some batteries. We marked out the footer system. You can see how he marked it off, the blue line. And this is what he's doing. He's measuring out where he's going to bolt in and put in everything right here. So there's tracer. So based off the plans and based off the measurements and even where you're going to put your door, they're going to mark it all out. Okay. So is the contractor's responsibility or the client, any user's responsibility to make sure that this pad is perfect. So when we get here, we can get to work. So MEPs, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. So it's very important that whoever's doing the plans, that they're licensed and insured, make sure they're professional and make sure that everything is done right, because it would really, really stink to have to go behind somebody and to realize these plans are off and have to pull up the MEPs in here, pull up all the electrical and plumbing, the conduits or plumbing systems already set. So if you're working with a concrete company, make sure that they're local, make sure they got a good reputation. Okay, so that's critical. People say they want to go cheap. That's one thing you do not want to go cheap on is your concrete, because if it's done wrong, everything's to be thrown off. It means the whole entire project will be messed up.